You are going to love the 2025 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.